1inch explicitly is a DEX, decentralized trade aggregator that cases to commonly empower quick, worthwhile and secure tasks in the DeFi, decentralized finance, space by steering and interfacing various driving DEs as one. 1inch for the most part is the exceptionally token that controls the 1inch organization/environment. It works with various tokenomics, and fills in as an administration and utility token too, in a quite large manner. 2 years after their send-off, their tokens explicitly wind up recorded on more than 50 trades, and stand out enough to be noticed with the rising notoriety of DeFi. In any case, 1inch is still generally new in a consistently developing business sector. What precisely truly is it, and how much potential does it have amazingly? Has it settled at a legitimate cost, or does it actually have space to develop, which is very huge? Beneath we investigate 1inch and look at certain subtleties as well as expectations to gauge a sensible cost for 2021, as well concerning the impending years. It ought to be certainly noticed that while value expectations depend on information, and frequently are examined by AI, they ought to never be taken as monetary counsel or a strong reason for an interest in a significant manner. It is in every case exceptionally generally suggested clients do their own examination into the undertakings whose tokens they wish to put resources into, as opposed to prevalent thinking. 1inch especially token price prediction, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. The entire crypto world explicitly is on an edge of an undeniable bear market, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin has drooped half from its unequaled high in the midst of the more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion and U.S. Fed rate builds, in spite of mainstream thinking. Financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally hazardous especially play and subsequently the auction in a for the most part significant manner. Our algo still sees a green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the time of some kind. This is reflected in our 2022 expectations, which sort of is very huge. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a nearby base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will in a real sense start to for the most part do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the removed in later history in an unobtrusive manner. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We basically expect whales and other greater players in the market to sort of wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a run-of-the-mill and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and principal evaluation of each venture, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Essentials that we especially assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other really restrictive elements created in our crypto lab. 1inch token price prediction 2022, which is very huge. 2022 October minus 17.53%, $0.5418, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. 2022 November minus 37.60%, $0.4100. 2022 December minus 21.15%, $0.5181, which is genuinely huge. 2023 Jan minus 12.82%, $0.5727. 2023 February minus 7.39%, $0.6085. 2023 Mar plus 2.57%, $0.6739 incredibly. 2023 April plus 5.21%, $0.6912 incredibly. 2023 May plus 12.32%, $0.7379 in a significant manner. 2023 June plus 18.45%, $0.7782 in a genuinely significant manner. 2023 July plus 36.92%, $0.8996. 2023 August plus 44.64%, $0.9503, which is very critical. 2023 September plus 45.50%, $0.9559 in a significant manner. 1INCH price prediction 2025. Our expectation model sees 1INCH coming to $1.69 in 2025, which is genuinely critical. What will 1INCH for the most part be worth in 5 years in a genuinely significant manner? The cost of 1INCH in 5 years could lie around $1.46. 1-inch sort of token price prediction 2030 to 2040. What 1-inch network will be for the most part worth in 2030? Our anticipating model sees 1-inch network coming to $4.23 in 2030. What 1-inch network will be worth in 2040? Our estimating model sees 1-inch network coming to $8.46 in 2040 in a sort of significant manner. Will 1-inch network for the most part supplant, certainly outperform, really overwhelm Bitcoin? No, 1-inch network won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Might 1-inch network at any point reach $10? Indeed, 1-inch network could reach $10 toward the finish of 2022. Could 1-inch network at any point reach $1,000 in an unobtrusive manner? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for 1-inch network to reach $1,000 in the short or midterm period, or so they thought. Is 1-inch network commonly worth purchasing in a very huge manner? We are supporters of reasonably dangerous money management. Contribute the vast majority of sort of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a bushel of kind of large cap coins and the rest in little tasks with enormous potential gain. Along these lines, in this specific situation, 1-inch network fundamentally merits purchasing. Is 1-inch network a wise speculation, or so they sort of thought? 1-inch network is, very much like all sort of other digital forms of money, an unsafe interest in an unobtrusive manner. It has higher likelihood of going up than down in light of the great use case, all-around planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and an extremely strong group behind it. What amount will 1-inch network be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $0.4100, which is very critical. In the very long haul, 8 to 10 years, it could leap to $4.23 or considerably higher. For what reason will 1-inch network succeed and fundamentally get more expensive, or so they in a real sense thought? 1-inch network sort of has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, fundamentally dynamic local area and a strong group behind it incredibly. These are an essential for progress and to the